In the previous video, we knew about the forefathers of Tut. We knew about Amenhotep III. We knew about Amenhotep IV, who became Akhenaten. He changed his religion. He started worshipping Aten, the sun disk. He also shifted his religious capital. But in the end, he became mad, and the family that had ruled over Egypt for centuries came to an end. In today's video, we will see who came after Akhenaten. Let us start. After Akhenaten's death, after Akhenaten's death, a mysterious ruler named Smenkhare appeared, briefly means for short time, and existed, means disappeared, with hardly a trace. Trace means mark. It means to say that he could not produce impact in the history of Egypt. See the line. After Akhenaten's death, a mysterious ruler named Smenkhare appeared, briefly means for short time, and existed and disappeared, with hardly a trace. Trace means mark. It means to say that he could not produce a great impact in the history of Egypt. And then a very young Tutankhaten took the throne. After this king, then a very young Tutankhaten, a young boy, his name was Tutankhaten, took the throne. He got the throne of the country Egypt, King Tut, and he was called King Tut, as he is widely known today. As he is widely known today by the name of King Tut. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhamun. See, the boy was very intelligent, and he knew the past, what happened in the past. That's why he changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun. See the line. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhamun, and it means living image of Amun. His name means living image of Amun. In this way, he again restored the old system of worshipping, and he restored the worshipping of the god Amun, and oversaw means supervised a restoration means renovation, getting something back again, and he oversaw a restoration of the old ways. What type of the old ways? In which the god Amun was worshipped. He restored the old ways of worshipping of the god Amun. And he ruled for about 9 years. And this boy king ruled about 9 years and then died unexpectedly, without any Without any expectation, he died, and then died unexpectedly. Regardless means in spite of his fame, and the speculations means guesses about his fate. Tut is one mummy among many in Egypt. See this line. Regardless means in spite of his name, and the speculations means guesses about his fate. What happened to him, how he died, how he lived. There are many guesses about his life, about his death. And there are many stories of his name and fame. But in spite of all these things, Tut is one mummy. Tut is only one mummy among many mummies in Egypt. How many? How many? Nobody knows. How many mummies are there in Egypt? No one knows. No one knows this. The Egyptian Mummy Project. The Egyptian Mummy Project, which started an inventory. Inventory means stock list, to count and to make the list of the mummies. See, the Egyptian Mummy Project, which started an inventory means list, stock list, in late 2003, has recorded almost 600 mummies so far up to now, and is still counting, and counting is still going on. The next phase is scanning the mummies with a portable CT machine donated by the National Geographic Society and Siemens, its manufacturer. Next phase is scanning of the mummies with a portable CT machine donated by the National Geographic Society and Siemens, that is its manufacturer. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned. In death as in life, moving regally means in royal manner, ahead of his countrymen. See, Tut's mummy is one of the first mummies to be scanned. In this way, he is ahead of his countrymen in death, as he was ahead of his countrymen in life. Now see, this is the picture. This is the picture of Smenkher. After this, King Tut came. See, this is the picture of King Tut. In today's video, we knew how Tut restored the old ways of worshipping, how Tut's mummy is one of the first mummies to be scanned, how Tut is ahead of his countrymen in life and in death.